Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. So the program have to accept integer n and n integers as input, and we have to print the largest integer x such that both values x and minus x exist in the array. If there is no such integers, then we have to print -1. Now let us consider our test case. So in this test case, n is equal to 5 and we are having 5 integers here. So for solving this, first let us sort these integers. So -4, -3, 3, 4 and 6. This will be the order after sorting. So for the first integer -4, that is x is equal to -4. So if we multiply -4 times -1 means we will be getting 4. So we can see that 4 is present inside the array. So 4 will be printed as our output. So now let us consider our next test case. In this test case, n is equal to 4 and we are having 4 integers. So first let us sort them. -5, 6, 7 and 10. So if we take -5, so the first integer is -5, it is not present. And the next integer is 6. So 6 times -1 is -6. It is also not present inside the array. And then 7 into -1, that is -7. It is also not present in the array. And at last 10 times -1, which is equal to -10. It is also not present inside the array. So for this condition, -1 will be printed as our output. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. First let us get the integer n from the user, that is n as input, and then let us have a integer list which is equal to sorted of list of map of int comma input dot split. So after getting the integer list, we will be iterating using for loop in the integer list. So for val in integer list, if val times -1, that is the value present in the integer list times -1 in integer list, that is it is present, means we have to print absolute value of val, that is ABS of val, and let us break the loop. And in the else part, that is if the for loop is not executed, means if the value is not present, means we will be printing -1. So this will be our required code for solving today's DC.